Hello, this is Jim with Perfect Fitting Shoes. In this video, Josh putting on a pair of size 7 perfect fitting walking shoes. We show a young man who has an AFO ankle brace on his left foot where he needs to wear two different size shoes because of his physical disabilities. He's had multiple operations on his left leg, so he wears a size 8 4E New Balance shoe on the left, which you can see here in these photographs, and he has a size 5.5 champion shoe for his right shoe when he met me. I told him that I had some shoes that adjust in the heel, and I'd be happy to use a pair of my shoes to see if they would help him. And so he came over, and I will show you the video of him trying on the shoes. This is a pair of the perfect fitting walking shoes in a size 7. This is a clip of Josh getting ready to try on the shoes. We moved the table so it'd be more presentable. And there's the shoes that we're going to try on. He's wearing his existing shoes. There's his brace on his left ankle, and he's taking off his shoes, and he's going to be putting on the new shoes. I'm explaining this because in the video that you're about to see, the audio is not so good. So I'll overdub part of it and explain as it's going on, but unfortunately you won't hear Josh's voice. We hope to bring him back soon so he can do a follow-up and let us know what kind of opinions that he might have about the shoes, besides the fact that he loved them when he first tried them on, and if he has follow-up suggestions for us. Now we'll go on to the video, and you can hear a little bit as I'm talking, but you can't really understand anything, so I'll overdub it. Thank you. What size? So you're wearing a New Balance on your left foot. What size shoe is that? So here, Josh is talking about his foot problems, operations he's had in the past. I'm listening to him and trying to understand what physical disabilities, but the obvious disability from the brace that he's suffering from. So as I talk to him, I understand he's got a larger shoe on his left foot and a smaller shoe on his right foot. So the shoe on the right foot should fit his feet properly, but the shoe on the left foot fits the brace, not so much brace, so that he can put the brace shoe or on his feet and then inside the shoe. So his feet are going to be too small for that shoe, but he needed the shoe because he needed that brace. So I'm going down to feel his feet inside his shoe, seeing where his toes are, and he's got a lot of room between the toes and the front of the shoe because the shoe's just way too big for his feet. So that's where I thought that a pair of size 7 of my shoes would do well for him. So that's the 7. They have a heel adjustable feature. He's taking off his shoes as I'm explaining the shoes that I'm going to put on his feet. So we've got a heel adjustable feature, and the sides of the shoes open up. Plus, we have extra in the shoe, and we offer in the shoes two different types of insoles. One that was thicker than the other one. The insole with the green patch, insole. The insole on the in my hand now at the yellow is a thicker insole. So depending on what the customer's preference is, they could use either or both. But in the case of Josh, with both insoles, leave the shoe completely vacant of any insole for his left foot. So that way his brace can go in without any filler inside there, because he really didn't need it because his comfort that he needs is on top of the brace. So we wanted to slide on the brace, slide the brace inside the shoe. So I'm helping him put the shoe in. I did all basic so have for this side, and we're putting on the shoe as I don't want to squeeze his foot or anything like that, so I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. But it goes on fairly easy after we get everything opened up, and it's on his foot without any problem. Now then, what we've got to do is make sure his heel is in the back of the shoe completely, so that he doesn't get any pinching in the front. Uh, so his heel's all the way in the back, and then we lace up the shoes to keep his foot from sliding forward. And that way, with perfect fitting shoes, you lace up the shoes in the front, keep it from sliding forward, but you've got the foot kicked into the far back of the shoe. So you're properly placed in the heel counter. You got the laces holding your foot in place, and you don't slide. So you don't bump your toes, and you don't get any squeeze or hammer toes or anything like this, and you get a proper fit. So the laces tie up, keep the foot in place, like I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to look at the back of the shoe, and get the Velcro. I've got the strap through the back buckle, and I'm going to pull it back uh, using the tension from the strap buckle uh, being pulled and holding the foot in place. So now that's it. He's got the shoe on his foot. There you go. Now we got to see if the right will fit his smaller foot. So the size 7 perfect fitting walking shoe fits his left foot great. Now we got to make sure we can fit his right foot. So what I did is I took the thicker insole, which means fishing out. Got the yellow. It's the thicker insole. So I open the shoe completely. The insole back into the shoe. And then we'll slip this on Josh's foot, seeing if we can tighten it up to where it'll fit his 5.5 size foot. First, we got to get the shoe completely open so that we can make it tight. Then get his foot in there, open up the side vamps. Then we slide his foot inside, putting the tongue in place. His foot's in place. His foot's in the back of the heel. Now we're going to tighten up the laces. Again, the key thing is making sure the heel's in the back of the shoe. The laces to keep the foot from sliding forward. So we tighten up the laces. And then we'll make sure the side vamps are in place. Put the Velcro strap through the back heel buckle. Pull it through, back around. Tightening up the tension and tightening up the grip around the heel. Now you can see him walk with one pair of shoes in the same size on both. No problems with his left foot, no problems with his right.
Very nice. And on your left foot, you got plenty of support and everything inside there? Yeah. Very cool. All right. Very nice. So, again, he's got a pair of New Balance.
So, again, he's got a size 4 balance on his left foot and a size 5.5 medium champion shoe for his right foot. Both perfect fitting shoes to adjust. We're able to get one pair of size 7 medium on his feet. So just imagine if we had more styles available, we could help more. And our shoes are not just made for people with foot disorders, but people that just have common fit issues where they fit their feet properly. They don't have something that's slopping around on their feet and blisters or hammer toes or bunions or anything like this. So as Perfect Fit expands our collection, we'll offer more and more styles to the buying public. Thank you very much, and I hope you like this video, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.